I was on a trip for a week with tight schedules during the day, since I could only explore the city at night. Well, I decided to experiment and develop a tungsten film recipe for my old Canon cameras, specifically using Kodak Vision3 500D film. Da, 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 da. This time, I brought along my Canon G1X, but no worries, the recipe should work on any Canon camera with the same layout settings, especially with white balance shift options, which is crucial. Unfortunately, I learned that Canon G9 and G10 don't have that white balance shift options. Regrettably, I didn't bring my G12 for this trip. I expect to get more bloom and halation on my G12 compared to my G1X with this recipe, which is a good thing for night photography. At least that's what I think. All the images were taken handheld. Kodak Vision3 500D is a tungsten film, supposed to look colder in terms of temperature, leaning towards blue and green. Some people believe tungsten films don't suit sunny days, but during the rainy season, this film stock might perform better. Since the rainy season is approaching here, I thought it was the perfect time to try out a tungsten film recipe, mainly for night photography. Well, initially, I aimed to recreate the look of Cinestill 800D, but it seemed difficult to achieve that reddish halation around the highlights straight out of the camera, which is the main characteristic of the Cinestill 800D. Nevertheless, I'm quite happy with the result. I also noticed a similar greenish tint for my Fuji Pro 400H recipe. You can check the video if you haven't. Well, without further ado, here is the recipe. Da 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 da! First, you need to set the image style to JPEG only, and then you go to white balance setting and select tungsten on the white balance setting and hit menu. For Canon G11, G12 or later models, you can hit the display button instead of the menu button. And then set the white balance shift to amber 9 and green 9 or A9 and G9. And then you need to go to custom color settings and set as follows: contrast +2, sharpness +1, saturation +1, red +2, green +1, blue -1, and skin tone -2. Yeah, I think that's it. If you want more top secret hacks and tricks to transform your ancient cameras into Hollywood superstars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join me on this photographic roller coaster. Until next time, keep snapping and keep it budget tight. Enjoy!